Okay, good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Friday. I know you already got your calendar out, and we're going to go over the first one. The month is October, so look for the pumpkin, and you're going to circle the pumpkin. Good job, Van. Good job, Jeremy. Good job, Kennedy. Okay, so everybody at home, Aiden, Jace, Carvin, y'all circled y'all and wrote y'all October. Now we're gonna write the date. What is today? Can somebody tell me what today is? What's today? Huh? Good. 23. We're gonna write our 2 and our 3. At home, you're gonna circle the 2 and the 3 if you have the folder, but if you have your book, you're gonna write it in your tablet. 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. At home, did y'all get it? Did y'all get it? And what is the year? What is the year? What is the year? The year is 2020. The year is 2020. So you're going to circle it, or you can write it. 2020. Now, 23. Is it an even number or is it an odd number?
Odd number.
Thank you so much, Daniel. It is an odd number. You're going to write your odd number if you have your tablet, or you're going to skip the page and go to the back, and you're going to circle your odd, trace your odd number. Trace your odd number. Here, Jeremy, trace odd. O, D, D. Van. Did you do your eyes? Come on. Okay, please keep your mask on. O, D, D. Come on, put this mask back on. Come on, Kennedy. Trace your eyes. Here. Trace your eyes, Kennedy. O, D, D. Okay. Y'all at home, y'all have that? So, let's go to the next slide. What is the weather? Is it stormy? Is it raining by y'all? Is it sunny? Is it foggy? Is it windy? Is it partly sky? Sunny. Which one is it? What is it at school? Try again. What you say? Try again. Well, what is it, man? Tell me what it is. Come show me. Which one is it? Come on. You want to show me on your paper? Show me. Which one is it, man? Is it this one, this one, this one, or that one? Which one? Okay. And that is sunny. Can you say sunny? Can I hear you say sunny? Yeah. Can you circle it? Sunny. Thank you for your help. Jeremy, which one is it? Sunny. Great job. Kennedy, which one is it? Can you help me circle it? Sunny. Great job. So y'all at home, y'all should circle Sunny. Okay? Y'all got that? What is the season? Is it fall? Do y'all see the leaves falling off the tree? Is it winter? Do y'all see snow on the tree? Is it spring? Do y'all see leaves coming back on the tree? Or is it summer? Do y'all see lots of leaves, the tree full? Which one is it? Great job. Fall. F-A-L-L. Jeremy, can you show me which one is fall? Show Miss B which one is fall. Show me. Fall. Good job. Yes, good job, Van. Can you show me fall? Show Miss B fall, Van. Which one? Good job, Van. Kennedy, can you show Miss B fall? Which one is fall, Kennedy? Thank you. Here. Great job. Oh. Let's go to the next slide. The temperature. Is it cold? Van, put your mask back on. Is it cold? What about cool? Is it cool? Is it warm? Or is it hot? Which one is it? It is warm. Jeremy, can you show me warm? Which one is warm, Jeremy? Jeremy, show me warm. Which one? Good job. Warm. Then can you show me B warm? Which one say warm? Which one say warm? Warm. Kennedy, can you show me B warm? Show me B which one is warm. Good job. Warm. Now, what will we got at home? Aiden, Jace, Corbin, and probably Autumn, because you're not in class. Which one do y'all see? Did y'all do warm already? Great job. What will we wear today? Will we wear a shirt? Will we wear a jacket? Will we wear a sweater? Will we wear shorts? Or will we wear pants? Jeremy, show me shirt. Then show me which one you gonna wear. Which one would you wear? Shirt. What else? And pants. Okay. Kennedy, show me which one you gonna wear. Which one would you wear today? Show me. A shirt. What else? Short. Anything else? At home, what would y'all wear? So we know everybody's gonna have a shirt. What about jacket? No. What about sweater? What about short? Well, some of y'all have on pants. It's me have on pants. It's Alexis have on pants. No. Yesterday, what was yesterday, guys? Yesterday was Thursday. Yesterday was Thursday. Jeremy, show Miss B Thursday. Jeremy, show Miss B Thursday. Thursday. Show Miss B Thursday. Then show Miss B Thursday. Kennedy, show Miss B Thursday. Show Miss B Thursday. What's on this Thursday? Can you circle it? Alright. What is today, guys? What is today? What is today?
Friday.
Today is Friday. Oh. So after we do some tests, maybe we have movie time. Friday? Which one is Friday? Then show me Friday. Kitty's going to talk Saturday. Saturday? How you talk Saturday? And tomorrow is, what's tomorrow? Saturday. Circle your Saturday or write your Saturday. Circle your Saturday or write your Saturday. Circle your Saturday or write your Saturday. Then, where's Saturday? Kennedy, which one is Saturday? Show me which one is Saturday. What time is Saturday, Kennedy? Show me Saturday. All right, let's go to the next slide. How many days Jeremy been in school? How many days Kevin been in school? Oh, I forgot, Kevin probably watching us at home. How many days y'all been in school?
4.
Kindergarten's been in school 45 days. 4, 5. First through fourth, how many days y'all been in school? 49. 49. Jeremy, you've been in school 4 or 5. Then you've been in school 4, 9. Come on, man. Kennedy, you've been in school 4, 9. Here. Let's go to our next slide. We already did our eyes, right? ODD, 23rd was I. So let's go to our basic tens. Today's the 23rd, so we're going to need 2 sets of 10. And 1, 2, 3 of the ones. 2, 3. 23rd. So let's write our 23rd. Where are you going to write your 23rd at? Twenty-third. So you need 10 and 1, 2, 3. Good job, Jeremy. Come on, man. Put your mask back on. Put your mask back on. Just get your eyes. Come on. Let's make your 10.